So our question number 1 is, how many multiples of 4 are there in between 20 and 40? We know the table of 4, which is 4 is to 1 equal to 4, 4 is to 2 is equal to 8, 4 is to 3 is equal to 12, 4 is to 4 is equal to 16, 4 is to 5 equal to 20, and so on. So in this question, it might be easier for us to find the answer, the numbers that are present between 20 and 40. Suppose we are given a number which is greater than 4 and we are unaware of that table. In that case, how can you find the answer? Today I'm gonna give you some tips on that and show you step-by-step solution how can you solve the problem. So let's begin. Here the largest number is 40. As you can see that in between 20 and 40, the minimum and maximum number, the maximum number is 40. So the best solution is to find the greatest number, the largest number, and divide it with the number given. So divide it by 4. Okay, so we'll divide it by 4 and we'll get the answer here. If when we divide the largest number by 4, we get the answer 10. Notice it carefully. So we have learned that 4 is to 1 to 4 is to something. That will give us the answer 40. So from 4 to 40, we have 10 numbers. So we have learned the maximum range. So if you are given MCQ, then you can remove the numbers which are greater than 10 as of now. So you'll be stuck with few number if the numbers are greater than 10, only 10. So just move on. Now as you have the maximum number, now we have to find how many numbers are there in between 20 and 40, because we are given a range which is between 20 to 40. To find that, what we need to do is to divide the smallest number. Here the smallest number is 20. Divide it with 4 again, we'll get 5, and this 5 means there are 5 numbers before 20. You get my point? There are 5 numbers before 20, but the problem is that 20 is inclusive. We cannot say that there are 5 numbers before 20. You can say that up to 20 we have 5 numbers. To make it before 20, so it will be what? It will be 4 to 4 to 16 up to this much. So there are 4 numbers that we have to remove from the list. Okay, so as this number, this 20 is included, so what we have to do, we have to reduce 1 from 5. So we will have 4, and then we will subtract that number from 10. So 10 minus 4, it will be 6. So total we have 6 numbers in between 20 and 40. So let's solve it. Is it clear now? If not, we can prove it. We can make a rough. See, 4 is to 5 equals to 20, 4 is to 6 equals to 24, 4 is to 7 equals to 28, 4 is to 8, 32, 4 is to 9, 36, and 4 is to 10, 40. Then count the numbers over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 numbers in between 20 and 40. So what we have done, we have first divide the largest number by the given number, which is 4. Then we got 10. And then what we have to do, we have to divide the smallest number by the given number 4. Then we have to reduce one number, as that number, that particular number here, the 20, is inclusive in the range. So that's why you have to reduce one number. So always, whatever the answer comes after dividing the smallest number by the given number, you have to reduce one. Did you get my point? If it's here we have 5, then we have reduced one number from it to get 4. So if it's 3, suppose we are given to find the range between 30 to 90, and uh, the and the table is 3. In that case, what you have to do, you have to first divide 90 by 3, the largest number, and then 30 by 3, the smallest number. After that, what you have to do, you have to reduce one number. Is it clear? I hope so. So by this way you can solve the problem. If you have any question about it, you can ask me, inbox me. I'll be there for you. Thank you.